In a world where health is paramount, every choice you make contributes to the journey of your well-being. Our Yogurt Mastery course is more than just a set of lessons, it's a transformative experience. Say goodbye to store-bought compromises and embrace the authentic taste of yogurt made with love and expertise. This course, guided by a seasoned expert, not only teaches you the craft of yogurt making but delves into the science behind it. Join our community of enthusiasts who started just like you. Hear their stories and witness their success. Enjoy other bonuses including a Greek yogurt masterclass to Kefi yogurt insights. Your health journey deserves the best, and that begins with the choices you make. Don't just settle, strive for excellence. Click the link to begin your yogurt mastery journey. Because your health deserves the very best.